Panda.
Yes, but you've videoed nothing. It's on record already, isn't it?
Oh shit, what gear do you want first?
No, it's all right.
Build that one. Yeah.
End of the month, I'm going to order the new piston and shit.
How fast is this thing go?
It's faster than that one.
Okay, good.
No, Tyler, I mean it. Don't be an idiot on it. Oh, you will be when you get on it with me. You're already muddy. You've not been on it, mate. Tyler? No, nothing gone. Don't clean it though and fall off. Scare the shit out of me. Todd! Just bump him! Just bump him, Todd! A couple of minutes ago, I wasn't muddy.
Just what are you fucking laughing to you? Who's the police? Oh man, shit out the way.
Fucking hell, mate.
Go on, John! Go on! Oh my god, I don't want to see that. Just done him on the inside. Go on, Josh, stay in it. Uh-oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You heard the fucking thing going! Go, Josh! Go!